Hello and welcome back to another video tutorial section. In this tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through how you can set up your website with instant pages. Alright, so in the previous tutorial, we had walked through the whole platform and then I showed you in details what each section has to do and how you can use every feature on this website, basically everything. Alright, the most of what you're going to need. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create multiple websites on the platform. Alright, so in the video I already showed you how you can create sites and I'm going to show you that again. If you want to create a new site, remember while signing up for the first time you created a new website, and then when you're signed up you can create more websites as much as you want to, or as much as your plan allows you to create. Alright, so to create a new website, all you need to do, there are two ways you can do this. You can either click on this place, right? You click on the my site option right here. It brings you to this page where you can see all your available sites, and right now as you can see I have two sites available. Alright, to create a new site you have to click on this button right here. Okay, you click on this button right here and it lets you create a new site. Okay, I'm going to go back to the dashboard and show you the second method. Another way you can create a new site is to click on, see on the navbar right here. When you click on the dashboard option, it comes up with this scroll down, and then the third option there says add new sites. Alright, you click on add new site and it takes you to, brings you to this page, alright, where you can now create a new site. First off, you have to enter a site URL. Alright, I explained what this means. It means a link with which you can access your website. Alright, so you create a site URL. It's advisable you make it relatable to the products or to the services that you'll be rendering on that site. Let's say, for instance, you intend to sell a product that has to do with making money online. You can now give your site a name that is relative to that particular objective. Alright, so I'm going to call this make more money online. Alright, so this is my site URL and it's going to be make more money online.instantsite.live. Alright, so for the site title, I'm going to call it make on internet. Yeah, so I've just given my, I just selected enter the site URL and then I've entered a site title. All you need to do now is to click on the add site button right here. Okay, and this site gets added to the list of sites that you already have in your account. Okay, so you can access this site dashboard. All your sites have their individual dashboard. As soon as you create it, as you can see, it's bringing me to the dashboard of this site. You can see it, you can see that from the URL up there. You can see it says make money online.instantsite.com, instantsite.live, and then WP admin. That means we are on the admin section of this particular site and it's loading up right now. Alright, so as you can see, the website you just created have been added here. Alright, so it has been added to the list of sites that we have available. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can create a website page for this particular website. So before I do that, let me show you what the website looks like. I'm going to visit the website on a new tab. I'm going to open that on a new tab and show you what it looks like. Okay. Okay, so this is what our website looks like right now. Okay, so you can see this is it's not presentable. So I'm going to make changes to this and I'm going to show you what it will look like by the time we are done making the changes. Alright, so I'm going to go back, and then to create a new site you're going to be making use of the premium page builder that we have here, which is the IS builder. The IS builder comes with a lot of templates that we're going to be making use of. But first of all, let's create a page. Let's create the pages. I showed you how to create a page in the previous video, so I'm going to walk you through how you can create a page again. Okay, you click on the add new under the pages section. When you click on the pages in the sidebar, it comes up with a drop down. You select add new, which means add new page, right? So that will bring you to the particular page that we are trying to access right now, where you can now create your page. Alright, so a page is basically a part of your website that you communicate that through which you communicate to your prospects or your customers. Right, a page can include your home page, which is basically what your customers see when they visit your URL. It can include your about page where you talk about your product. It can include your sales page, can include your blog and whatever page you wanna have. Okay, and then you can link everything. You can link all your pages through the nav bar, through the through the navigation, bar on your website, or through the menu on your website. Okay, so I showed how you can create a menu in the previous video too. So you can watch that and get brushed up with it, and then you can create a menu. And then when you create a new site, you can now attach your menu to the homepage site so that your customers or your prospects can have access to the rest of the pages on your website. Alright, so right here we want to create a new page. It says add new page. I'm going to give a page title. I'm going to call it home because I want this to be my home page. I'm going to click on publish. You can see publish right there. You can equally go through all the details here and then make changes as you wish. I showed you how to do all this in the previous video. Okay, so you click on publish and then you can see page has been published, right? So we just publish the home page for our website. So I'm going to edit this page now. Not to edit this page, all I need to do is to click on the edit with IS Builder. Alright, you can see that button right here. You click on edit with IS Builder, and as soon as you click on that, it loads up the page builder. So let's give it some time. You can see what the home page looks like now. I'm going to show you what it's going to look like when you're done. Let's give it some time to load up. The page builder is loading up right now. Alright, so here we are. As soon as the IS builder is done loading, this is the first page you are going to encounter. So right here on this page, we are going to start editing our home page on the More Money Online.instant.live website that we just created. Okay, so I want you to take a look in details and see what we have on this screen right now. And see we have a couple of icons on the sidebar. The first icon there is for adding of elements. As soon as you click it, it expands, and then you can drag and drop any element you want to. All these elements you can see here, they are all titled. So we have the text, we have the button, the icon, the video, the audio, the image, and lots more. Alright, so you can drag and drop as soon as you start editing. But if you try to drag and drop now, it's not going to work because we've not started editing yet. I'm going to show you how to do that. Then the second option we have there is the reorder block. Alright, so you want to reorder your website, you want to change the shape and everything. This is where you do it. The third option there is the styling, where you can select a font you want your website to have. You can select the colors, you can select the text formats. Alright, you can just click it, select the font, and then choose a size for the paragraph. Alright, for the subtitle, for the above title, and the rest of that. Okay, the the fourth option right here is for responsiveness. You click on it and then you can view what your website looks like on a tablet view, on a mobile view. All right, let's go back to desktop. And then the third one is the page. All right, so you want to view the page, or this is where you do it. The last option there is for more, is to display the more options, the more details, the more features that you can access on the IS page builder. All right, you can access support, you can read about us, you can see the shortcuts, you can see the plugin settings, which is the IS builder settings, and then you can go back to your dashboard. All right, so first off, I'm going to click on the button right here. As soon as you click on this button, you can see it brings you to this page where you can view, and if you check out the navigation bar, we have the layouts, we have the blocks, we have the saved, and we have the global blocks. All right, so on the sidebar we have other options that we can set. If you want to, you can view the dark mode of all these all the blocks that are displaying here. You view their dark modes, or you can go back to the light mode and view their light mode. All right, so we have the categories. Okay, so you can choose that and then you can make use of it. We have the call to actions, we have the gallery. Okay, say you want to have a call to action section on your website, you can just come here and then select a call to action, more like a button you want your customers to click. All right, so we have the header, we have the testimonial section. Okay, we have the pricing, we have theme, we have test, and so much more. Okay, so you just have to go through it and then make your choice. So what you want to have, when we talk about blocks, blocks have to do with segments on your website. All right, we have the segments of your website. The first segment that shows up immediately the user visit your site is the hero section. That is the hero block. Under it you can have the testimonials block, you can have the reviews block, you can have each individual blocks on your website. Okay, you might be in a place where you want to edit or make changes to all these blocks. You want to customize everything step by step. This is where you get to do it. All right, you can click on the hero section here and then you select the hero section of your choice. You see something that you like, all you have to do is to click on it. Let me show you. I'll just click on this one right here, and then as soon as you click on it, you can see it brings you to your website. As you can see, it has gone live now. This is on my website. Okay, so this is the hero section I just added to my website, and this is how you do it. So everything you see on here is editable. You can change the text, you can change the images, you can change the colors, you can change the font, you can change every single thing. Everything is editable. Okay, let's say for instance you're done editing this and then you want to have access to it, easier access to it. You can save it in your favorite section by clicking on this button right here, and then you click on this button right here, and it saves it in your favorite section, so that when you come and you want to edit another website, you can have easy access to the same templates. All right, so I'm gonna try to edit the test I have here, just so that we can see how it works. Okay, I'm gonna give it some time to load up completely, and I'm going to try to edit. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to select everything, and I'm working on the make money online website, right? So I'm going to give it a caption right here. I'm going to say make money online as sorry, easy as ABC. Okay, so this is what I want to have, and then I can select all, and then I can make everything bold. I think it's bold already by default. Okay, you can make everything interlace by clicking on the interlace option. You can underline everything. Okay, you can see everything here is fully customizable. You can even duplicate this section. You can duplicate it, and then you can use your Ctrl Z to go back if that's not what you want. And then you can hopefully change the text we have here. You can see it says make. I'm going to change this to make extra box day. All right. So everything is fully customizable. You can change the icons if you want. You can change the icons. You can change the color of the icons. If you want to change the color, as you can see, it changes immediately. All right, it's white on hover, and it gets the color changes when you hover out. Okay, the image you can see on this section, you can equally change it if you want to. All right, you can equally change that image if you want to. Just click on this place, and then you can give it a full okay, if you just click on this place, you can now remove the image. If you want, you can give it a full color. All right, you can give it you can add a URL to maybe an external video on YouTube you want to be playing on the background. You can just put the link to that URL here. All right, on the image you can equally delete it if you want. You can delete it by clicking on this cancel button right here. Okay, so it's as easy as that. You want to choose the place to focus on the image. You can see everything here is just easy and then self-explanatory. All I need you to do is just to come here and then play around all the features we have here. And as soon as you're done making changes to this website, okay, I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to delete everything I have here. I'm going to go back and delete everything. I'm going to delete everything, and I'm going to show you how you can I'm going to clear layout. Okay, let's say for instance you don't want to have to do all the blocks kind of selection and then editing. You want a full website template. All right, you click on the layout option we have here, and then you have access to a full website already done for you. Okay, you don't have to do the blocks editing step by step. If you don't want to go through the stress, everything is already done for you. All you have to do is to select from a pre-made template that we have here. I'm going to show you that right now, and then you can just change a few text to suit your business. You can change a few pictures if you want to, and then your website is up and running. I'm going to do that right now. As you can see, we have, these are the templates that we have available right now. Okay, you can see these templates. If you hover on it, it shows you we have 5 layouts. Okay, which might include the home page, the about page, and the rest of them. This one has 7 layouts, and it has to do with weddings. You can see we have a number of other options, and then okay, I'm going to go back, just previewing it. And then you can see we have on the navbar, you can select a niche that your business falls under. Okay, mine is make money online. I'm going to try to find make money online. I think that is under business. Okay, so I'm going to preview. I'm going to try to find something I like, and let's say I like this one. Okay, I'm going to click on it, and then you can see a preview of all the pages we have. You hover on this section, and then it scrolls automatically. Okay, I think I like what I see. All right, so I'm going to choose this. Okay, so this is another page. This is the about page. This is the contact us page. This is the okay, this is the contact us page, and this is the testimonial page or something. So I'm going to choose this. I'm going to say import this layout. You can see right here. You can see the button right here. It says import this layout. Okay, and you can also select to replace all global styling. That means you want the styling that comes with this template to replace all the ones you have on your website. I'm going to choose that. And then I'm going to choose and import this layout. Okay, it's going to take some time, so just give me some time to import all the layouts we just have onto our website. Okay, so yeah, so as you can see, our website is fully imported. All right, so it is still loading up. As you can see, the pictures are not here yet, so let's give it some time so that the pictures can come around. So you can see how easy that is. So from what we have now, we can make changes to the text we have here. Let's say I want to put my business email address. I can just say instant pages at gmail.com. Easy. Then you are putting my business phone number. All right, I can change this text here and say we show you how easy it is. Sorry, to make money online. Alright, so as soon as you're done making these changes, all you have to do is to click on this button right here that says update. Okay, you click on update and then it updates your website to exactly what it looks like here. Okay, remember you can change all these things. Alright, so as soon as you make any changes, you're expected to click on the update button as well. Okay, so it's still loading up. Let's give it some time to load up. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the home page, and now as you can see, our website now has a new look altogether. Okay, you can see it has a new look altogether. Everything has changed. There are some images here, but they are still loading up. I'm having a minor network issue, but as you can see, you understand the point, right? You get what I'm trying to do here. So if you change all these tests and everything, it just shows up on your website like this. You can see the email address I changed. You can see right there, and the text I changed right here. You can see, yeah. So you add your company name below it, and that is just how easy it is to do this. Okay, as you can see, we're on the home page right now. You can just check out the URL up there. You can see it says the home page. So it is this easy to set up a website on Instant Pages platform. This applies to all your websites. All right, this applies to all your websites. You can equally do this for each and every website that you have created. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my dashboard by clicking on this button right here and then click on go to dashboard. Okay, so this is how easy it is for you to set up a website on Instant Pages. All right, so follow the procedure I just showed you on each of your sites. As soon as you hover on my site here, you see all your sites. All right, so you go to that particular site that you want to edit, you hover on it, and then you go to the dashboard. Then you can create a page, and then you can edit the page and take it live. and then your website is good to go. Alright, so thank you for sticking to the end of this video. If there be any problems you might be having, you can also contact the support, and then we'll be there to take your questions and then see to it that you have the solutions that you desire. Alright, thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. You have a great day.